take this off of here. And let's take a peek. Okay. I'll wipe that off. And here we are. Got nice proportions. It's nice and thin here. Got some beautiful grain. You can see the grain in there. The outside. I think this will probably sell pretty well. It's still relatively heavy. It's not light, but I'm probably about 1/4 of an inch from the bottom miter here. And I do still need to finish the bottom off. But yeah, I think this is looking really, really good. Let's see a spot I missed. Make sure I get some. And then, yeah, okay, good.